Okay, strings, intro to strings. So for historical reasons, text in programming languages is called a string. Think of it like you're stringing characters along a clothesline, right? So in Ruby, we would create a string by putting it inside of quotes, right? And I can use a special method called class to actually find out what kind of object this actually is, right? To verify, like, is this in fact a string? Let's run that. Yes, it is a string, right? Also, let me point out this detail. You see, I'm going to create another hash rocket, and I want to show you this is in fact the same thing. ABA, ABBA, old 70s rock group. Run hash rocket. Okay, so are these two things the same? Right? Is this a string and this a string as well? Let's see. Look at that. ABBA is in fact ABBA. These are also in fact two strings. But look at the difference. That's a curious difference now. The single quotes still get the output of that is still double quotes, right? So it recognizes the string in this fashion. But, yeah, okay. There are actually a bunch of cheats. You might be wondering, like, where does this class method come from? I mean, I'll show you that online as we proceed. But there's also, oops, change O's, sorry. There's also a ton of cheat sheets I have down here inside this repo for figuring out how do you introspect a particular thing. Right? See, here's the object ID that we used before in one of the previous videos. Inspect, and a whole bunch of other things down here that are useful. But this .class method is also mentioned inside this cheat sheet. So you can like take a peek at that. See, here we go, .class. You can kind of take a peek at that. There's an ABC class, a string, see? And check it out and play around with it and see if what things make sense, what things don't, etc. Go back up here. Just wanted to point that little detail out. All right, so that's it. So a string, text inside of double quotes or single quotes, and that's how you create a string. All right.